as we go along.
Okay, so far you can't say you not enjoy the show because me I enjoy it because I love history. History is what make we as black people and white people human all over the world. History make we. It's like history make we so strong that we can survive and can continue the journey. That's why I have to stay right side of them elderly people here because them know the whole 100, them know everything. Well, brother Kiddy, I get to understand say you don't have a machine inside here, you know. I don't want you to hide it from me, you know. A cooler machine or something. But I get to understand say something is here. So would I like to see it and know how the whole long time machine look or whatever. So tell me a little bit about
yes,
that.
Yes, we generally have a cold storage.
Okay, so can we see that?
Yes, all is well and all is upright for the viewers to see what we are talking about and what we possess.
Yes, so
through the administration of the Rev Claudius.
Alright, yes, so Brother Kiddy, as I want to see it, you carry me onto it. So tell me a little bit about this because this look like it could have hold at least probably 500 cow or something. I don't know, but that's also. So tell me a little bit about this and how much things it used to hold and thing.
Yes, inside here we used to hold 500 chicken, kill it one time, over 600 pound of beef, goat, hogs. A lot of meat this can hold.
Yeah.
But for the present time now it's out of service, so we are expecting to get all the equipment back from Canada to get it recuperate and to get it running and start the business again. As we plan to get things back on track, and we have all the support now to go forward with it.
Yes.
So we hope to God that in this time to come, we will far reaching more people. And more people will know us and see what we are doing.
Yes. And to all of the viewers out there, anywhere at all in the whole world that you're there, we are going to put a number on the phone, on the screen, a phone number. You see, no care where you can donate to it, we'll be thankful for it. You understand? Any donation you can give it, if you do this, because what really happened, we are going to look for some donation from people all over the world if we can help up back with this organization, because this is a non-profit organization, right?
Exactly, sir.
Exactly. So we are look help anywhere at all in the world. As I say later on from now, you're going to see it on the screen, right on the screen. At the bottom of your screen, you're going to see the number, the telephone number, and the name of whosoever you're supposed to call and things. So my video man Bad Bigs, just take a clip back on the cooler and look on it, then we'll move on from there. So now, Brother Kiddy, where you said this is the school ground, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we are going to enter into the school ground now.
Yes, now we are entering into the school room now, wherein was being built from 1969.
Yeah.
And it was open on the 28th of April 1969, the day that the Reverend Claudius were being born. And a school that used to be occupied 500 children.
Yeah?
Yeah, 500 children.
500 children?
Yes.
Weird. Anyway, come take up on the tour, see America. You know we like go on tour though.
Okay, sir.
Alright, come go up on the tour then now. Yeah. So back to you again. To the world, you see it, because that we say, we are going to give the world what they want, you saw me and say, so true, we have to give the world what they want. It's like, today, brother Kiddy, I tell we, and him take up on some real tour, and him show us some things that we never see before either. Now with that, the generation room, what you call this? Call it for me, some
Supply room.
the power, what?
Supply.
Okay, this is the power supply room, and Bad Bigs more you take a good view right now because this was the thing where run the whole building where you look on the wall of the building them, all the current them run through the whole building, the same thing here, it run it. So brother Kiddy, tell me a little bit about this.
But this is a generator that the Rev Claudius buy about 1974.
Okay.
And from since then is it running the system. The bread machines give power right around the compound,
Yeah.
and the tile machine, everything.
Okay.
All the machines that run the bakery, the machines that produce the tile is this plant.
Okay.
And see where we the tank that we set up. When the truck come with the gas and fill it up.
Yeah.
And we go on until when we need the truck come again and fill it up.
Okay.
So this is the electricity that we used to run the whole compound during that time. And now it is still in good use.
Yes.
Ready and waiting to move on again.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Okay.
Ready
Well,
and waiting.
thanks for carry on that tour, brother Kiddy. So we are gonna move from here and we are go at the Thompson building where we're gonna talk to another brother. We are gonna tell you about Thompson building. Alright, come on, let's go, Bad Bigs. Yeah, we're still up on the ground, at the Ethiopian Peacemaker Association place. Rev Claudius C.V. Henry, we're still up on the target and the topic of him. Right? Well, we're still up on the tour, and Brother Kiddy and Brother Pumpkin, who's going to be the two brother them, will carry on this tour about Thompson building and the great things we used to happen in a Thompson building. So Brother P, nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you, Virgin.
Yes, man. Happy to have you up on the show, you see?
Thank
Yeah,
you.
so what you gonna do now, you and Brother Kiddy, gonna go and take me on to the tour. Right? So come on, let's go. Yeah, so telling you from first, Brother P gonna be the person who gonna tell me all about this place where we are looking right now, the building, Thompson building, so big and so huge. Hey, Bad Bigs, I hope you catch every length height, every width height and everything, so big it is. Anyway, Brother P, tell me a little bit about this place and things.
Well, look what I know about here so now. I never work here, but I know what was here.
Okay.
This machine was a tile machine,
Okay.
and that was the place that them wash the tile. Back the tile.
Yes.
Understand?
Yeah.
And the rest of things that them done here. Well, Brother Kid is supposed to have more experience outside here more than me, because I was the inside baker man. So I don't have experience much about outside here, so.
Okay, but because you used to work into the bakery. Okay.
Original time, you're just a baker man.
Yeah. So what I want to know, want you tell me how long since this building put up? How long this
I
building?
couldn't tell you how long because I never hold that position. But
Okay.
I believe Brother Kid can answer that question.
Okay.
Understand?
Well, so
And
far.
he was definitely a businessman, a bakery.
Okay. Yes,
So
I
I have
understand.
no confusion much outside here, so.
Okay. Oh, so where you said that was the place that them wash the
Yes,
tile.
them put the
So
tile.
Bad Bigs, come like make a walk over there and can see a little bit about what used to go on over there and thing. Yeah. As you can see, them used. Right. Right. You see. So this is the place Bad Bigs where them do so with the tile. Them, wash them, pot them, and anything there. Yeah. So you have it. Okay. Well, come on, let's go look further up on the next top part. Forget to know what really happened up there, because what really happened, I don't really know about this history. Them teach me about it, I'm willing to learn. So, Bad Bigs, come, let's go. Yeah, we're live on the program, see the Ethiopian Peacemaker Association, Rev Claudius Henry and the history about him and the place. So what really happened is like today, we're there with the Peacemaker people, them a walk, and it's like them a carry upon some real good walk. It's not no wild goose chase walk, you see it. So anyway, we are going to feature the bakery now, and we are going to talk to some brother who know much about the bakery. We used to work in there and everything. So come on, let's go, boy. Yes, as me say, Rev Claudius Henry, work never finish. It's just a start, I want to tell you. And now, you don't know, as me tell you, we are going to talk to many different at the church brother them today. So now, I go across now to Brother Roddy, and he will tell you a little bit about the bakery. And to tell you the truth, I am going to put with you the normal walkthrough and the touring at the bakery. So, Brother Roddy, nice to have you on the show, brother.
Nice for having me.
Yes, sir. So, what you going to do now, you going to tell me a little bit about the bakery.
The bakery, well, I once used to manage it.
Yeah.
And we are now in the patty section,
Okay.
which this brother Dixon,
Yeah.
used to manage the patty business. So he will tell you more about the making the patty business, you know.
Okay.
And then from here we'll move up to the
different section.
the bread
Okay.
milling and making section.
Okay. So, brother, introduce yourself to the show and thing. Make the world know who you is and what part you used to play in the bakery.
Well, I used to make some patties here,
Yeah.
and it's really the patty section. I work here,
Okay.
so I used to boil, stew,
Okay.
and make some crust,
Okay.
and make some patties.
Yeah. So, brother, tell me something. How long since you work in the bakery? From when? From when you start working in the bakery?
Well, you know, I don't really recall it, you know.
Well, all right. So you was the person who controlled the party section.
Yes.
Oh, well, nice to have you on the show, my brother. And later on, we are going to talk to you
Okay.
and thing, right?
Okay, thanks.
All right. Oh, right here was the electric oven. Electric oven, right? So where you say we're going around to the bread part? No, right?
Yes, you are going to the bread.
Yeah.
But we used to have right here
Yeah.
one machine, bread machine to mill door right here.
Yeah.
And coming inside here,
Yeah.